About Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes.
Philippines is beautiful country. Other the places in the bansa. You go there. I am go to the Philippines because nice the beautiful country. My country is very small. The another country is very big, and the Philippines, Middle East and Middle East and Asian country.
CC.
If you
Many people.
many people in the whole world, and we need to translate in
Tagalog.
uh, translate ng we need to translate Chinese language.
Chinese. Sige.
Shanghai West Kara is Squadro in the Puerto Rico.
Sa'yo pasabutan na pre.
Ang Pilipinas na bago siyang kuan siya. Tsada sila pagka-country dong sa lugar sa ibang bansa na kuan mo speak kag English mo na siya pasabot.
Sige, Deon. Sige.
So,
Pre.
you need to vernacular of kuan Tagalog.
Sige. In-check pre.
Ching Chong Hai Ching Wara is Peter Aguirre is Espirato is Quadra in the Puerto Princesa in the Luis Fonsi and Daddy Yankee Despacito is Retato.
Kanta. Despacito.
I don't want to talo. I don't want to the pam pam. I don't want to chada. Bella, I don't want to chada. I don't want to chada. I don't want to pasito, subasito, bigando bagel, pasito. I don't want to mess up, I don't want to pick up, I don't like to wear the first Despacito. Never want to Puerto Rico, and I never want to Domingo, never want to Domingo.
And what about West Philippine Sea?
What happened in the Philippines Sea, in the Subic Bay, in the Palawan Island?
Yes.
Why mini shape in other places in the Australia, in the stay of the mga 12 years ago, the Chinese vessel to stay in the West Philippine Sea because the sea, the flow of the sea is mini gold and
Many minerals.
minerals in the corals in the under the
Sea.
water, under the sea floor, and mini corals. The Chinese, we have mini business because we have high tech machine.
Pre. Like there's a war in China and Philippines. You need to cover the Philippines because we are warring in China.
Is the warning of the China is as the minister of the Chinese Xi Jinping is the Chinese people.
See.
Why did not ask your soldier in the Philippine Sea? Because the Filipino people in the government, like a soldier and Philippine Coast Guard, to
Evaluate.
sometimes to bully the person in the Philippines because we didn't have armas in machine gun and weapon like that. And then we have a meeting in the United States nation, State of the Nation in the country, in the US,
United States America.
The place of the country is Washington. London.
London?
Oh, you need to meeting. Why did you bully in the Philippines
Yes.
soldier?
They say what they say.
It's very easy because it's not alone of the problem in the Philippines because I need to someone to else you talk about the people. We have to punish the people why did you do not? We need to respect the people because all people is human.
Human.
Mm.
There's no one can kuan the Philippines.
There is no one because the Philippines very long time ago is going down to the earth. Oh, kinapray ko na.
A few moments later, 2,000 years later, one eternity later.
Unsay imong masulti sa Pilipinas? English speaking pre. Unsay imong masulti sa Pilipinas?
Masulti ako sa Pilipinas.
English.
I am speak English vernacular na siya. If you ask me your teacher, ma'am, insik. If you okay, ma'am, I need to translate vernacular like Tagalog, English, and Chinese language or India language. If you like,
pwede po din mo yung chick on pre ano? English, magkag-English na yung chick ba? Sige, usap